Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download Temu on your mobile phone. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store to download the application. I'm at the moment on the App Store, so this is for iPhone users. So now we're on the today screen, as you can see on the App Store, and we can see plenty stuff here. We have the games where we can go and find only the video games here, where we not all the applications. Here we have all the apps that we can get on this App Store. Here we have arcade, where we can go and see some arcades and buy this for or get the free trial if you want. At the end we have the search bar and the suggested stuff, where you guys need to go to the search bar and type Temu and click on here. And here we have the application. Click on the app and here you can go and check out the reviews and everything. You can of course go and put it to get downloaded by clicking on the get button. And now while it's downloading, just a second, we need to double click. When it's downloading, we can see some stuff about the application. So we can see the app's rating, which is 4.5, the age, which is 4, the chart, which is number 1 on the shopping list. The developer is Temu. Language, we can see the size of the application, and here we can go and see some of the reviews and ratings. So basically you can go and read the reviews. As you can see, they're pretty good, and here you can see some more stuff about the actual app. Now guys, when you download it, you just need to go and click on open to open the application. And basically that's everything guys for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.